Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to accept money on Chase Zelle. To begin, you'll need to enroll in Zelle directly through your Chase mobile app or by logging into your Chase online banking account. Once enrolled, simply provide the sender with your U.S. mobile number or email address that is linked to your Chase account. For enrolled users, funds are typically available within minutes, making it a very quick and convenient way to receive money. Enrolling in Zelle with Chase is a straightforward process. First, open your Chase mobile app and locate the Send and Request Money section. From there, select Zelle and follow the clear, on-screen prompts to complete your enrollment. You will need to link an eligible Chase checking or savings account to your Zelle profile. This ensures that any money sent to you will go directly into your chosen account. Once you are fully enrolled, receiving funds through Zelle is incredibly simple. The sender will use your enrolled U.S. mobile number or email address to initiate the payment. The money is then automatically deposited directly into your linked Chase checking or savings account. You don't need to take any further action once the sender has initiated the payment, making it a seamless and efficient way to get paid. When using Zelle, it's important to keep a few key considerations in mind. Always ensure that your U.S. mobile number or email address linked to Zelle is current and accurate with both Chase and Zelle. Remember, Zelle is designed for sending money to people you know and trust. While there are typically no receiving limits, be aware that daily and monthly sending limits do apply for senders, which can vary by bank.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.